Harvest Offerings Explained, a guide to understanding this cultural and linguistic expression. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, harvest offerings. This phrase has both cultural and linguistic significance. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about English idioms and expressions, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of what harvest offerings means and how it's used. So, let's dive in. Harvest offerings is a compound noun, where each word contributes to the meaning of the phrase. Harvest refers to the time of year when crops are ripe and gathered from the fields, while offerings means something presented or given, often as part of a ceremonial or religious act. Together, harvest offerings are gifts or contributions made during the harvest season, typically as a gesture of thanks or celebration. Historically, harvest offerings have deep roots in agricultural societies. This tradition can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where people gave a portion of their crops to deities as a way of showing gratitude for a successful harvest. These offerings were often made during festivals and could include fruits, vegetables, grains, or other products from the fields. In many cultures, these offerings also served as a way to seek blessings for future harvests. In modern times, the phrase, harvest offerings, is used more symbolically. It can represent gratitude, sharing, and community spirit. For instance, during Thanksgiving in the United States, people might refer to the food shared during the feast as harvest offerings, symbolizing gratitude for abundance and familial bonds. The phrase also appears in literature and art, often evoking themes of thankfulness and the cyclical nature of life. It's interesting to note that the phrase, harvest offerings, can vary in different English-speaking regions. For example, in the UK, it might be associated with Harvest Festival, a traditional celebration in schools and churches. In terms of usage, harvest offerings is a relatively formal phrase and is more commonly found in written English than spoken language. It's often used in a metaphorical sense or when discussing historical or cultural topics. I hope this video has been informative and has deepened your understanding of the phrase, harvest offerings. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture the essence of cultural practices and historical traditions. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope this has been a helpful addition to your English language learning journey. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and the stories we share. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.